Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Rakhi's Recipe and more. So today I am going to share the recipe of donuts. Yes, you can make bakery style donuts easily at home. So without any further delay, let's begin. In a bowl, take 1 cup of warm milk. Make sure the milk shouldn't be hot, it should be warm. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Once the sugar is mixed, add yeast. Here I am using active dry yeast. Add 3 tablespoons of yeast. Now stir the milk and cover the bowl for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes you will notice that the yeast is activating, it has swollen. Here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Then add 1/8 tablespoon of salt. Now add the activated yeast mixture into the flour. Once mix it using a spoon. Then add half cup of water. Now use your hands to make a dough. Here you can see the dough is ready. Now here you have to keep the dough at a flat surface and you have to stretch the dough to make the yeast active. This is a very important step to make a donut. You don't have to skip this step and you have to repeat this for 10 to 15 minutes. Now put some melted butter and again stretch it. And here our dough is all done. Now we will keep the dough in the same bowl and we'll grease it with some oil or butter. After greasing, cover it for at least half an hour. After half an hour, you will notice that the dough has risen its double, and this is how we wanted it to be. Now we will dust some maida on the surface. Here we will take some dough and roll it using a rolling pin. We only need some portion of dough, rest we will keep aside. At this stage we need a donut cutter, but if you don't have donut cutter like me, then you can use a glass and a small cap. And now you have to cut like this using a glass or donut cutter. And here I am using a cap to give it a shape of donuts. Now you have to take away those extra dough. You can also reuse that dough. Make sure that you grease the plate where you are going to keep the donuts. Here you have to repeat the same process for every donut. So here you can see my donuts are ready to get fried. I am heating the oil. Then I'll fry the donuts. So you can see the donuts are getting fried. We will fry them until they get golden brown in color. After they will get fried, I will take them out and we will keep it on the tissue paper. Same way we will fry others also. So here you can see I have fried all the donuts. Now we will melt some white chocolate. For that we have to chop it first. So for decoration here I have taken icing sugar, melted dark chocolate and melted white chocolate. So first we will put some icing sugar. Then we will dip it into the melted dark chocolate. So this is another one. First we will put some icing sugar and then we will dip it into the melted white chocolate. So here finally I am done with all the donuts. The donuts are looking so fantastic and so delicious. I just can't wait to eat them. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try this recipe at home and I am sure that this is really gonna come up amazing. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Rakhi's Recipe and More.